we're gonna be trying out this new restaurant. What is it called, babe?
Rose Mexican.
Rose Mexicano. What was he? Okay, so let's go. So I'm gonna give you guys my honest review on that restaurant. It wasn't good for me personally. I loved the aesthetics. It was very beautiful, but the tacos were not good. Like, they needed more flavor, and there was more like, not coleslaw, but like cabbage than actual fish in my tacos. Like, the little fish was like this big, and then the cabbage was like just so much. It felt so dry. Like, if you want to put that much cabbage, I think it needed more sauce. My boyfriend said it was really good. He loved it, and I'm so glad he loved it. But me personally, no. The coconut mint refresher was really good. I liked it. I liked his guava colada. It was really tasteful, very sweet, very good, very refreshing. I would get that again, and probably like another plate. But it was really pricey. Like, it wasn't that delicious for it to be that pricey. We wanted to try a new place. Right now, I'm in the car. It's Saturday. Last night was Friday, so today's Saturday. I am in the car waiting for my boyfriend to get out of his therapy appointment for his back, because he did get in a car accident not too long ago. And right now, I'm just gonna edit some videos that I've had piled up that I never got to finish editing because I got really terribly sick after I got my nose pierced. Like, 0 out of 10 rate that place that I got my nose pierced from, because it got me so sick that I was the only one sick, and then I got everybody sick, and I just feel so bad. So please don't go. So right now I'm editing while I'm waiting for him, but this keeps frustrating me. I don't know what's going on, but I uploaded all my videos for this vlog. There's no media found, but like yesterday there was media. So what are you talking about? What are you talking about? And then this vlog is just a random vlog from a day that the Airbnb was rented for 2 weeks and I was cleaning up. So you'll see that soon. Look at this sushi thing. Do you want it so you could take it to school and drink water? Being back at Michael's is so nostalgic because as a little girl I used to love coming here. But I wasn't allowed to buy all this stuff, and now that I'm grown, I don't want anything from here because it's so expensive. Gosh, you guys, who remembers this? Duct tape. Remember when we used to make everything out of duct tape? Like, where did those trends go? I miss them. But I'm looking at these hats. I am going to a jaripeo and I low-key want a hat. And look, you can like design your own hat with these little goodies right here. I don't know if I should. They're only $13.99 plus like a little badge if I would get a little badge. I'm not sure though. Okay guys, I've decided on this. So I'm gonna be getting this hat, this little belt, little thing to add a patch. I'm also got this fabric glue just so it sticks really good.
Tell her to buy me a book nook. Guys, tell her to buy me this.
Nope.
No.
Yes. Yes.
How much is it?
$10. Yes, it is.
Let me see. I saw the price, Daisy. It was
like
$40. For something that stays on your shelf.
It's
You're not
$10.
gonna use it.
Yes, I am. I am gonna use it. I'll get you this.
But anyways, look at the thing that I'm not getting for my little sister.
You are getting it for me.
Love it, cherish it. You're gonna watch it on my YouTube channel.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine. You just can't get
Get it for me.
No. 'T that we went to didn't have the phone he wanted, so we're gonna go to Apple now. Let's see if they have the 1TB. I don't know how it's called. I'm pretty sure they will have it because Apple has everything. Ladies and gentlemen, we have secured the bag. Found it, and they were like, "Oh, we only have the orange, we only have the 1TB, and we only have this one." And we were like, "That is absolutely perfect because that's exactly what he wanted." I also stopped by and got another hat because the one that I got last night, I felt like didn't really match the outfit that I ended up going for. So this one matches way more and I'm super excited to use it. As you can see, I'm back home and it was due to the fact that the New Jersey car event got canceled. Well, it didn't get canceled, but like the street got shut down by the police and we weren't gonna have like a place to park. So we didn't end up like going all the way there. We were an hour away. We decided to turn around and go home because we weren't trying to get in all that trouble. But it was due to the fact that like people were doing burnouts, always doing dumb stuff to like ruin car events. I was hearing that the SWAT team got called, which was really crazy. So we just were like, yeah, no, we're not messing with that. We're going home. So we're home. I made dinner for my boyfriend and right now I'm waiting for my mom to get home with some pho. So I'm gonna show you guys my soup. Plus, I wanted to sort out some coins that I've been saving up for a while now that I wanted to show you guys the whole process. So, see you while I sort my coins and eat. This is what we're gonna sort out and it's super heavy. I feel like it's about 50 pounds or 30 pounds. I might sound like I'm exaggerating, but this is super heavy. And I went to Office Depot to pick up some coin wrappers to put them in there and take them to the bank so I can finally find out how much money is in there. So we're gonna sort that out together. But before that, I wanted to unbox some of my Haribel orders that I ordered. So this is supposed to be my belt that I'm gonna wear with my outfit. Let's see if it's too big, because I don't know. I ordered it on Amazon, but I don't know how big it's gonna be. I'm sorry if my hair is a mess. I was laying down. Wow. It's not too bad, as you could see. It's a pretty cute design. I like it. And it's so cute. I love it. I love horses. So this is perfect. I feel like it's the perfect size because it's not too big and not too small. So this is how it looks like. I hope it looks good on me. I love it. I love horses. So excited. And then I'm going to be unboxing my my boots, because I'm not really like a cowgirl boot type of girl. I'm more of a regular sneakers now. I used to be a sneakerhead back in my day.
You know, back in my day.
This is something that I bought because I really like horses, and hopefully in the future I can buy my own horse. But to ride horses, they use boots. So like this is like a purchase for the future. If you know, you know. But this is the box. It's from Ariat. Let's see if they fit, because I don't know if they're gonna fit. They're looking kind of big to me. But it looks like in the box. Let's take them out. And ta-da! They look kind of huge, but we're gonna try them on. They are the women's Roundup Remuda Brown Bomber in size 6. I'm not sure if they're gonna fit me, but we're gonna try it out. They are pink, of course, and this is like kind of like a light brown. I love it. It has a little stitch in the front. It's a square-toed boot. They are very thin. My foot is on the thinner side. Oh, and my favorite part is the pink interior. It's like a baby pink color. I'm kind of scared. They look kind of small.
Bruh.
Inside, but on the outside they look huge. They fit perfect. They fit perfectly. What the heck? They were meant to be. So excuse my outfit. I know it looks kind of goofy because I'm in my pajamas, but these are the boots. When I walk, it's gonna feel weird. Nah, they feel good. They feel good. No way, my first cowgirl boots. I'm excited to wear them. It's time to sort out these coins. So I'm gonna fast forward this part because it's very boring and you guys probably don't want to watch the full time. All done. Now it's time to put them in here, but before that I wanted to show you guys a couple of cool little coins I found that were like kind of like new. They look different. Like I'm not sure if these are worth more. Why are they so much shinier? Also found some American dollars and coins, which I barely see when I go out anymore, so that's kind of cool. And I found Canadian dollars and coins from like my trip to Canada a long time ago. I still have some, which is pretty cool. I like how their money looks way cleaner. Like why is it way shinier? Like this looks like brand new, almost like a fake kind of coin. I love it. I wish the American dollars were like that. Look at the American dollars. I mean coins. They're all dirty, nasty, and stuff. So like, I feel dumb. Like, am I supposed to fill it up to like here? I'm not sure, so I'm gonna just count them just in case. I'm not even counting anymore. Yup, like, so damn. Oh my gosh. Fix yourself. There it is. Yo, I think I'm supposed to count. Cause like, what if I go beyond this line and I don't know it? So let's count them. First one done. Many to go.
Nunca dejes de creer en mí. Tú también deberías de creer en ti. Vales más de lo que piensas.